Alrighty, let's get right into this. This is the one-note typing demo that I used in previous videos. So let's get the keyboard opened up, and you'll see the toolbar here with the various options, and you turn that toolbar on and off via this up-down caret. So you expand it, and you'll notice the keyboard with the gear icon. That is where we will go to select. Now we're currently in a one-hand keyboard with the keyboard shifted to the right. Okay, what we want to do is go up here and select the keyboard modes, and you'll see full, one-hand, float, and thumb modes. Let's switch to full mode, and you can see that the keyboard will span from left to right of your screen. A great mode for tappers is thumb mode. So let's switch the keyboard to that, and you'll note how it splits the keyboard in half, putting part on the left and part on the right. The mode I do not use is float mode, and this allows you to place the keyboard anywhere you would like on your screen. What you do is grab the keyboard window by the handle at the bottom and drag it where you want it. If you drag it all the way down and dock it, then it will switch back to full screen or full keyboard, mode, spanning from left to right. And now I'll switch it back to one-hand mode. And you'll note that on the left here, you've got the arrow, which can allow you to move your keyboard aligned either to the left or to the right, depending on how you're holding the device. And this works on both screens.